After 2 successful supplier events in Leipzig, now the first supplier event here at our headquarters in Oberpfaffenhofen, and I cannot say how proud I am that how many suppliers have attended in a very collaborative manner.
I think the understanding is there, the openness is there, as well the constructive feedback is there. So looking really forward in continuing working with you guys over there and for our all success. Thank you very much.
I'm more than proud to see all of the suppliers and partners here in this collaborative way of working, the team spirit they brought on the table. I would say let's make 2025 and the type certificate a success for the full company.
So the event today was very nice. I was personally very happy to see all the suppliers here with us, showing the commitment to our company. Of course, without our suppliers and partners, we could not achieve our goal. So it was very, very good, very productive discussions.